How to change currency in Expedia. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to easily change currency in Expedia. Go ahead and open up your web browser and search for Expedia first. Hit enter. Now click on the first link you see, expedia.com. Now from here, go to your services and search for anything. So what I'm gonna do is go to flights. Let's say I'm leaving from let me just search for a city like LA, and I'm going to, let's say, Milan, and then click on search. It will show you all of the available flights here. Just wait for a bit. And now, as you can see here, once the available flights are loaded, it's showing everything in US dollars. But as you can see, if you click on it, there is no option to change the currency. So what you're going to have to do is change your region. So this is the only way to do it. Go to the region up top. It's currently in USD because the region is the United States. But let's say if I want it in Euro, I can change it here. Now the region currency will also change to Euro. Let's say if I change it to Malaysia, it will change into Malaysian ringgit. So I'm going to click on save, and all of the prices now will be loaded in Malaysian ringgits. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.